a little muddy from all the rain we got. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Come on. Hey, that's too muddy over there. Let's go this way. Good girl. All right, I see the clearing. We're almost out of the woods. Come on. Come on. What do you smell? Smelling something good? Let's go. We are, top of the hill. These are our trails on our property. We kind of snowmobile and ski here in the winter. We're at the top of our field. The house is down that way. You can't really see it yet. Nice, nice. You have a dog to walk with, or you just go walk the trails yourself? Come on, Raven, back into the clearing. I see the field. Whoa, not too hard. She's strong. All right, slow, I need a break. Let me catch my breath. Cool, Tia, I will check it out maybe later on after I take Moose for a walk. I'm gonna take Raven down to the pond in a minute here, and then Moose is gonna have a turn to walk the trail, and I will check everybody's socials later. Thanks for all the likes too. We're in the swampy area here that's pretty wet. Got ferns growing. There's the house down in the bottom of the field. All right, Raven, this looks slippery. Down the field. I have to watch for ticks out here. Last couple times I've had ticks crawling on me. We've got a lot this year. Raven and Moose don't get them. They have the tick medicine, but they crawl on me. Chihuahua, nice. Oh, they'd look super mini next to Moose and Raven. Raven weighs about 100 pounds. I think Moose might be a couple pounds heavier. These guys bark when animals are in the yard, or if somebody shows up at the front door, and then they howl too. Whoa. Let's go slow. Whoa. You're too strong, Raven. Found a nice stream. Frankie and Henry. Raven, say hi to Frankie and Henry. Oh, she's drinking muddy water. Come on, let's go. It's all right. It's running water. It's safe. We're at high elevation here.